Hey guys, it's your girl Trisha B, and today I want to give you 3 reasons why dropshipping is great for beginners. So stay tuned and watch this video. Okay, so let's talk about it. 3 reasons why dropshipping is great for beginners. Okay, now the first reason is low startup cost. Okay, now it took me $20 to get inside of a Facebook group, to get vendor lists, to get training and everything. It was a very low startup cost. It cost me $20. Okay, and a little secret tip, I didn't start off with a Shopify store. I didn't start off with a website. I didn't start off with any of those things. There's a way that you can do this to start off making money just with that $20 investment. Okay. Number 2 is fast return on your money. So if you invested $20, it takes literally a couple days, maybe not even, like in your first week, you're pretty much guaranteed to see a fast return. And number 3 is the support and training that our group offers beginners. If you are not experienced with this, if you've never sold anything online, you have no idea about marketing, you don't know what you would want to sell, you don't know anything, our Facebook group is good. It will definitely help you get started. So we have the support and training for beginners to get started, and that's 3 reasons why drop shipping is great for beginners. And another little bonus little tip is you get to sell what you want, guys. This is about you. This is your business. You can wholesale, or you can just totally drop ship. It's totally up to you. This is your business, and you can run it how you want to. So those are my little 3 reasons plus a little bonus on why dropshipping is great for beginners. So if you guys found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment. Let me know what you guys think. If there's any questions you have about dropshipping, go ahead and get in contact with me on Facebook. And I hope you guys, I'll see you in the next video.